Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this week's edition of Ian Explains. My name is Don Gibson. Ian Explains is a segment we put on where an EN engineering expert helps dissect a specific utility topic to make it more understandable. This week, we have with us Megan Lesher. Megan, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Megan is our senior project engineer for EN, and this week she is going to be talking with us about electric distribution. So Megan, explain to us, what is electric distribution?
Electric distribution is what brings the power straight to your house. It's going to be the power lines that are running outside of your house. They're probably on poles, they may be underground, and then all the way up to your meter.
So Megan, how does it fit within the power grid?
Yeah, so power starts at your power generation facilities. So that could be a natural gas, renewables, coal. From there, it's going to go into your transmission system. So transmission is going to be like the big metal structures that we see running those big cables across long distances. And this is going to be really high voltages, usually above 50,000 volts. And the reason for that is that it can go a lot longer at a higher voltage without as much loss. Once it gets closer to where the demand is, though, you're going to want to drop that down to a safer voltage that's easier to work with. So that's where you're going to have your substation. And substations are usually just fenced-in areas. You'll see a lot of metal structures in there. And what's in there is transformers. And what transformers do is they take that higher voltage and they're going to drop it down to about 35,000 volts or below. And this is going to make it easier and safer to work with inside of your community.
So what are some challenges utilities encounter when dealing with distribution?
We're seeing a lot of utilities deal with aging infrastructure, deteriorating conductors, old poles, outdated equipment, and a lot of that is being replaced and upgraded. Another challenge that utilities are dealing with is a change in demand. So we're becoming more energy efficient in our homes, but then at the same time, we're introducing new demand points like electric cars. So utilities are going to have to start adapting and integrating electric charging stations into their network in order to keep up with the incoming demand of electric vehicles. And finally, we're seeing a lot of development in smart technology that's being implemented into the grid. So things like reclosers, automated switch gears, smart switching in general is just helping improve the reliability of the grid and make sure that they're providing a better service to their customers.
So how can EN help utilities or co-ops or municipalities with distribution?
We've helped our clients with overhead designs, underground designs, downtown network designs. We have experience executing specialty permits for federal and state governments. We have a diverse team of engineers that can execute specialty programs like bridge attachments and other things that a normal utility maybe doesn't have the staff to facilitate. Ultimately, we can help with pretty much anything on your electrical distribution system.
So Megan, thanks again for your insights regarding distribution. For those of you watching online, feel free to comment or like in order to get entered into a contest to win a gift card. So Megan, thanks again. Have a great and a safe week.
You too.